Well, here's another Malibu I need to get running. This one, I believe, hasn't ran in 3 years either. Went around and pumped all the tires up, and I see that one's flat already, so it must have a pretty good sized hole in it. That one's still up. I think the other side's still up. You can see how much dirt's on this one too. About 3 years of dirt on it. It needs a bath. It needs to get it running so I can get it out of here. That side looks like the tire stayed up. I need to go get my keys so I can unlock the door. Now I got the keys, got the door open. Got the hood pop. It's kind of dark in here, so it's hard to see. That's why. I don't see anything too weird going on underneath here. No dead animals or nothing. A bunch of weeds. Air cleaner off. Give her a little squirt of gas too. All the fuel bowls up. Maybe the accelerator pump will start squirting. Who knows, I'll let it sit a little bit. I still need to put the battery in it. I have to go take the battery out of the other Malibu. Hopefully you can get this one running. Well, I got the battery in it, but I am missing a bolt for the battery. Usually I leave it laying underneath here somewhere, but I cannot find it. And also, I noticed that the fuel hose is cracked. Right there. So I'm going to have to replace that before I start it. And go find me a bolt for the battery. Still makes no sense why it's not underneath here. I usually always leave it in the battery tray. Unless it fell on the ground or something, but oh well, let's go find another. Alright, battery cables are hooked up. Got the fuel hose fixed. I believe the carb is squirting gasoline now, since it sat for a while. Well, I fixed all this stuff that was wrong. You can see it down in there. I can't see it, but it is squirting. There it is. Now we're going to see if she fires. Alright, camera set up. Let's see if I can get this thing running. Well, it was running. I don't know why it quit. Did dump gas into the gas tank. Looks like there's some gas up there. Hard to tell. Maybe a piece of junk flashlight. It's still squirting gas, so who knows? Got some nasty stuff in the filter. Walk around and get inside. Pain in the ass getting in over here because it's so close to the wall. Can't get oil pressure. It died again. Maybe it had some bad gas in the tank, but I thought I ran it out. I did dump some gas in it, probably a gallon or two. I'm guessing this isn't going to move. Leave this car. If I remember right, we'll try to see if it moves. It probably won't move. It's got a turbo 350 in it. It's got the typical everything wants to leak on it. And the pan of the governor, the kickdown cable, something. It's probably the shifter linkage. Shifter shaft seal is leaking. If I remember right, it leaks out on this car. We'll see if it'll start again. Nothing in reverse. Nothing in drive. So. Tranny works in here. It's just low on oil. Stay running, we'll go around the front again. Might need to set the idle up a little bit on it. Looks like it wants to die. That's better. Drag race this car back in the day. Quarter mile. It's not set up for 8 miles. It's not that fast. Used to be my daily driver for a while. Actually, all these cars were my daily drivers, including this car. In this car, and this Malibu, which we're going to get running next. I think she might have some dirt in the car. Keeps idling weird. Wants to die, and then it'll run, then it'll die, and then it'll run. Let me get this out here. Give her a bath too. here, he's trying to die. He's coming back. There it goes again. I ain't got dirt in the carb.